The latches will start to wear down at the indicated edge. When the entire indicated surface is worn down, the latches should be replaced to maintain peak performance. Using a 10mm or 3/8 socket, remove the assembly bolt, two-piece washer, and spring from the inner tube head assembly. Remove the assembly rod. Depress the latches and slide the retracting case above the latches. Remove the latches and latch spring. Insert a new latch spring into the first latch before installing it into the latch body. Insert the second latch into the latch body, being careful to align and seat the latch spring in both latches. Depress the latches and slide the retracting case over the latches. Reinstall the assembly rod, aligning the slot with the center line of the inner tube head assembly. Reinstall the assembly bolt, two-piece washer, and spring. While compressing the spring, tighten the assembly bolt into place, being careful not to over-torque it.